Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to be tapping into a existing on and off switch and tapping in and putting a third one because I'm going to be adding LED lights to my bathroom. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing here is I went right on the other side of the 2x4 because 99% of electrical sockets, outlets, receptacles are attached and connected side by side with a 2x4. So what I've done is cut a box around there. I've measured my hole. I got wires running through the ground, but besides that, in order to tap your on and off switch to a existing outlet, what you're going to need to look for is a black wire and a white wire. And with that being, I'm going to off power here. What I've done is put a regular, let me show you guys what's going on here. I've cut my plug and I want constant power. And the only way I'm going to get constant power is going to positive and negative. So what I've done is put one wire on the black and one wire on the white. And a way to know which one goes where is that one goes onto the white wire and the skinny one goes on the black. Well, how do you trace them back? 90% of the time, plugs will have little writing on them, so you can trace them all the way to where it goes, even if it's coming out of a little transformer here. This plug actually, but I can't really point it out to you guys, has little tiny, oh, you could see it there in the video. It says 105 and all that. That has writing on it. That little one with writing on it is the black wire and the other one is the white wire. So what I did is trace them all the way back, connected them coming out of my receptacle that I'm gonna have, and now that I have constant power, my LED light is working constantly. So now how do you set up the on-off switch? Okay, now even if you're going into a receptacle here like that, I didn't want to make a hole all the way in my wall to get to my receptacle, but if you need to, you can do that. Always remember that the black wire goes on a gold screw, and on those little receptacles they have different color screws on the other side, and the white wire goes on the white screw, or you want to call silver, it looks like that, on each side. But that's a whole nother video. So or I guess you can use it if you don't have a light switch going here and you have a receptacle going to it, so you're going to need to know that. But once I have constant power, how do you break the on-off switch to control this LED light? Real simple. The black wire, you will split it, and even if it's, the black wire will split, just so you guys can see it, and I explained to you that I was going to cut the black wire that was coming from constant power to the light switch, and now when you flick the switch, sorry for being sideways, I got one hand, and there you go, lights up. Sometimes LEDs have a little bit of a delay, so that's my light switch. Just got to put it all together and we're all set. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you guys out.